Hey everybody, welcome to my Losi5t parts build. Well, it's not built yet, but it's just an unboxing for now. Hopefully I'll be doing more of these videos so you guys can, I don't know, tag along, something like that. Alright, let's get started. First thing that I bought, the sashi. It's a Losi5t original sashi. So it's the bottom, brand new, never used, but it's one of those companies on eBay. They strip down brand new cars. So yeah, so got the side bits, side pods. See, that's the thing with the Losi5t. I wanted it, but I don't want all the plastic that comes with it, man. So I just bought what I wanted, you know. Just got plastic bits that I want. Got the sashi, got the fuel tank. This came with everything basically. Came with the brackets and the screws. Brand new, never used. So yeah, comes with this. It's a newer one, so it comes with the breather. What else? Yeah. Here you go. All the bits, all the brackets. So, yeah, this is a tip I got from Gel. Just a bit of silicone oil, and just they've been there for about a year now. So yeah, they're marinating. Rear diff, again, never used. Front diff, or diff case, I've got 30° north differentials. There you go. Back bumper, just the usual, nothing special. Front bumper, so yeah. Again, brand new, never used. Might do a like it on that, don't know yet, but we shall see. Okay, next, 30° north. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. I have to say, man, 30° north, their stuff, it looks really cool. I'm not gonna lie, it looks really good. It's the rear diff, and yes, there's a bit of oil leaking out, so I'm gonna have to look at that. It's probably the gaskets, probably not that good, but we shall see. The bearings feel good, they don't feel half bad. But I got a bearing set anyway, so, and it comes with the pinion, and you get some bearings as well with it, and you get a pin inside. Actually, let me stick that. I've got oil on my hands now. Perfect. What the hell? Get out. So yeah, they don't look half bad. They look alright. Then you got the bearing, but I won't be using these bearings. I'll be getting some better ones. Center diff. Here we go. Center diff. It's nice that it's lightened. So yeah. better than the solid ones. Those ones are heavy, dude. But I have to say, man, like, I usually like do 8th scale. 5th scale stuff is just beefy, bro. Look at it, massive, and it's got like proper weight to it as well. Anyway, you do get, again, you get bearing and you get a pinion with that as well. It's a 19 tooth, yeah, 19 tooth pinion you get with that. But I might not be using this, so let's see. And same again. Front diff, and it's leaking, bro. It's got a little bit of oil there. I don't know. It has to be the O-rings or the gasket from here. It looks like it's coming out from here. If it's coming out from here, that means it's the seal in there, the little O-ring. But we shall see. I'm gonna break these down anyway. I'm gonna put my own silicone oil in them, and I'm just gonna do my own thing, man. Innit? You don't know what the hell's inside here, you know. I didn't even know they had oil in here until now. They've been in storage for a while, so I can see oil in the, well, on the thing. So we shall see. Anyway, and again, we get bearings, a pin, and the pinion. Not bad. And they're really reasonably priced as well, I'm not gonna lie. They're really reasonably priced. What else we got? Okay, this is driving here. This is drive cups, 30 North, before I just get the same stuff. But 30° North stuff is good, man. Anyway, they're not bad. I like their stuff. Every time I've ordered something from them, you know, it's coming as it's supposed to, you know, nothing missing and not poor workmanship. As you can see, they really done nicely, man. You know, there's no rough edges or anything like that. It's been polished out nicely inside. So yeah, good. I'm happy with these. They look awesome. So they're gonna work fine. What's next? Here we go. The buns. Same again. They look really awesome, actually. They look take one out. You can see better. Drive pins look nice. Nicely polished. No rough edges. They look good, man. Oh, I want to unwrap something else in a bit, and you guys can decide for yourself. You see, everything nicely polished, no rough edges. Yeah, let's try this. There we go. Yep, fits, goes in there nicely, spins around, and here we go. Dog bones, you can see. It's not bad, bro. I'm not gonna lie, it's not bad. It looks nice. Looks decent. So I'm gonna chuck all of this onto the pile over here. And let's see how big the mountain gets. Okay, next we have 30° North clutch belt. And I have to say, it looks good, man. It looks cool. I don't know what the hell's inside there, but it's like a bit of imperfection, but that's a minor. Overall, it looks good, man. Plus, it's lightened. nicely lightened out, so that should be good. So put that there. What else here? Just some Roven shock boots. Not shock boots. What the hell? Outdrive boots. Go on the outdrive here. And these bad boys. There. So I don't know, I've got a few of them. So put them there. What else? Hinge pin braces. Is from, yeah, by the way, most of this stuff, all the plastics, all the Losi plastics, they're from eBay. I got these bad boys from AliExpress, and these from AliExpress. This is from most of this stuff is from AliExpress. I'm not gonna lie. But hell, man, whoever gives me the best price, I'll go there. I'll support what company I think that's supporting me. Simple as that. But Top Speed RC World, they do nice stuff, man. I'm not gonna lie. Their stuff has, every time I've got something from them, it's always been on point. Like, let's take this out. There you go. And if you see the workmanship, hell, it's nice, man. The way it came out, the way they've done it, it's banging. Plus, it's my two favorite colors, silver and black. Looks banging. And the packing, I can't think of the packing, man. They pack it nicely. Individual wrap. Yeah. Oh, this is wrong, man. I don't know how Botashow does this, man. One-handed stuff. But yeah, they look nice, man. And they're light. I thought they were going to be heavier. Nice and light. That's the rears here as well. Another one. What else do you get in here? Okay, so you get a screw kit as well. See, sometimes you buy them, they're not like this in a kit. You get them, and it's like nicely lightened as well inside here as well, so that looks cool. Yeah, when you get them, sometimes when you gotta buy like one piece at a time, so one of them is gonna be like £15. You know what I'm saying? And all of this came in a kit, and it was a banging price, man. I'm not gonna lie. I think there was a sale on as well, so I got a good price on them. Put them in there. What else? Get rid of these. Front drive basically comes out from, where is it? Here we go. But this bad boy is gonna go here. No, other way. This way. Gonna go in here. So yeah, it's fun. See, when I ordered them, it said 30° north, but it didn't have one of these bad boys on it. I know it's a very Western thing, like people in the UK or America, basically we're worried about labels, man, innit? But it's not like that in Asia or in China. Do you know what I'm saying? So, however, I don't know. Could be 30° north, could be Roven, could be King Motor. I don't know which one it is. I don't really care. As long as it does the job, man, I'm okay with it. So it doesn't look half bad. It looks nicely polished and everything. It feels strong. So we shall see. And this was on sale. So instead of one, I got two. Why not, man? I have a spare one just in case when you're at bashing. And why I'm saying this, I feel this is 30° north because of these bits. Like, they're really nicely polished, and it comes exactly how the 30° north bits came. Only there was no label, so I don't know. But either way, I'm okay with it. So, but we don't need all of them. There's only one of these. One's a spare one, so we can leave one out and put one in there. There you go, same again. The center to rear drive. Again, they were on sale. got two, one spare, and again, they look alright, man. I'm not gonna lie. Nicely polished, you know. It's been done alright, and here you go. Look, it doesn't look half bad, and it comes with the pins as well. Pins. So useful. That goes in there. Let's put this back. Okay, what's next? Alright, let's start with this. There we go. By the way, people, I have opened most of this stuff just so I can check and make sure everything's on point. So, this was I was a bit disappointed. FID. It's like their packing it's inconsistent. Sometimes it comes separately wrapped, sometimes they just chuck it in. I don't know. Maybe it's just basically whoever's on the day, Hope you don't get Charlie Chaplin, bruv, on packing day. So, but I must say, man, look at this. Oh, nicely machined out, ribbed. So it's it's gonna help with like heat dissipation. So yeah, man, they look really nice, and they have nylon inserts in here, and the bearings look really cool, man. I'm not gonna lie, the bearings are really smooth, so I'm happy with that. And like the finish on it, like it's really amazing, I have to say. Look at it. But because they were together in a bag rattling about, they got like little tiny, I don't know if it can, I don't even, camera's gonna pick it up, but little tiny little dings here and there. But it's nothing major, I can live with, I can polish that out, bruv. Little polish, can you see, like on here, on top of here, around here, there's like little imperfections. But it's not, you can see that it's foreign, it's been done later on after it's been done. So basically, it was in here, shaking about, you know what I'm saying? So, what are you gonna do? Can't do nothing about that shit, man. Postage is shit anyway. I think it's the same in every fucking country. But yeah, here we go. Nice, it comes with nice bearings, I gotta say. So we got these. Here we go here, what else? Oh yeah, they do come with boots. Where are the boots? Okay. Here we go. So these are the boots that come with the FID rear hubs. Must say, man, they look really nice. They look banging. These ones. Not sure about the red, but it's such a minute amount. It's such a small part. I'm gonna go like over here. So you probably just see a little bit of it. I can live with that. It's alright. So that's the boots. What's next? Let's just do the front ones here. Okay, so these are the front hubs. Same again from FID Racing. They look banging, man, I have to say. The finish, the quality, it's really nice, man. The way they've done it looks amazing. Same again, like if you're into like 10 scale or 8 scale, like when you see this is like on another level, bro. This is like really chunky. So yeah, I'm liking it so far, man. All the parts, like especially from FID, I really like their parts. Every time I've ordered something, it's always been on point. I've never been disappointed. So they look really nice, man. And these ones are, obviously they come with banging bearings, and they have bearings here for the kingpins on top, so you can see it's not just one. You got 1, 2 in here. In this bit you got 2, and then you got another 2 on this bit. Don't know if you can see in there. Look, get close enough. There's like 2 bearings in there. So I know it's overkill, man. It's overkill. You don't really need bearings in there. You can do without. If you got if you get any, I don't know, if you get a Rover and aluminium one, or a king motor one, you know, it should be good enough because it's aluminium. However, if you just want to be a bit extra, and yeah, so it comes in not with one, not with two, but 4 bearings. And but mind you better remember, like when it comes to doing maintenance, you're gonna have to do more. It's gonna cost you a little bit more to get the bearings, and it's gonna be extra work to get the bearings out of here. But that's not too later, so let's worry about that later. Let's put this on the pile. And yeah, it comes with boots. Comes with boots, and it comes with really nice copper. Is it copper? It's not copper. Sorry, brass. Comes with really nice brass washers. They go in here. They go in between here. So this is gonna go in here. 2 each. So yeah, nice hardware kit like that. Oops. And what's next? Okay. Speaking of kingpins, here you go. Here are the kingpins. You got the kingpins, couple of nuts. Oops, where's the camera here? So yeah, you got kingpins and a couple of nuts and a bolt. That can go in there as well. Spindles. I have to say, man, I do like these spindles. They look awesome. Let's get in close here, look. It's like, wow. And the shine. You can see your face in it, dude. That's how shiny it is. Again, you can always polish it up a little bit. Same again, it comes with bearings. Not 1, but 2. I don't know if you can see. There's 2 on top, 2 on bottom. How about that? Talk about overkill. But that was the only reason actually I got these. There's like many. There's so many you can get. But I liked this one. This looked like best out of all of them, you know. And it comes with extras. So you got the bearings on top and the bottom. So I'm happy with them. I'm really happy with the spindle. Same again. I like this bit though here. It's like you can see the machining. It's gone like crisscross. It looks amazing, bro. I like that. Love the shine. I love shiny things, man. I don't know what it is with me and shiny stuff. But yeah, okay. What's this? All right, these are the rear diff holders with rear diff housing. They're really cool. I like them. Let's take them out. But yeah, they are same again, like really shiny. See, like they came like this, and just thrown in basically. So like I said, inconsistent packing, man. But here we go. I'll just put a little stapler in the middle, just keep them separate because they don't bang each other up. And yep, as you can see, quality finish. And bonus, it comes with the O-ring inside. And they're light, bloody hell. I thought they were going to be heavier. They're so light, they almost got no weight to them. And they look amazing. You can see the finish. FID Racing. Yep, so in the pile. Next you got wheel nuts, yeah. Enclosed wheel nuts from FID. Same again. I don't know, I just like the shine one, innit? Best way to explain it, they come with really good O-rings, like thick, massive ones, really thick ones, so happy about that. If I can ever get one. Oh. There we go. As you can see again, it's It's really shiny. Look at it. It's nicely machined out here. Looks banging, man. The machine work is really nice, I have to say. Really cool. I like these. These are definitely worth buying. And it wasn't just the wheel nuts. It came with the hubs. How about that? It came with wheel hubs. It came in like a set opening. So that was a bonus. I think it was a sale or something. You know, it's a long story, people. I will get into it more further, but I just want to do the unboxing and get it. You know, I just want to get it moving, man. So here we go. Again, finishes banging. They're really light, and these are the extended ones. Like the normal stock, I've never really had the stock ones, but this is the extended one. From here it's a bit extended, so yeah, we should see once we put it on the car, we should see how far it comes out or sticks out. But they are really cool, man, really nice. And they come with the, I showed you guys that, yeah, they come with the O-rings, bro, the massive fat O-rings. Love them. So yeah, let's put it on. Damn, that looks solid, man, not gonna lie. That looks banging. Okay, so next thing I got here is the FID front brace. Yeah, FID front brace, sachet brace. Where does it go? Where's the front brace? Yeah, so it's gonna go like that on there. But this is really cool. I really like this as well. I don't know, man. Everything like I said, everything FID ordered, everything came as it was supposed to. It wasn't damaged, you know. The finish is like, the quality of the finish and the machining it's on point. It's not like different. As you can see, it looks really solid. Looks amazing, and it's really light. So I'm really happy with these parts, man. I'm not gonna lie. See, looks amazing. Okay, put that on the pile, and it comes with screws as well. That's what I like about FID. They always supply you, like most of the stuff, they supply you with what you need to put it together, you know. So that's good. I did buy what's it called, a screw kit. Funny enough, I got it from eBay, and guess where it came from? It came from the US. I didn't know at the time, but it came from USA, bro, from Losi5t. So it's probably Dan who I don't know if it was personally Dan, but it was from his company. So that was funny, bro. When I saw it later, I was like, why is it taking so long for? It wasn't that long, but you know, it was like a week and a half or something. I was like, why isn't it turning up? And I went on eBay and I checked it, and it was and then it's like, oh, it's USA. I'm like, oh, okay. And it's a Losi5t. But then I put two and two together, like, when I was watching both of those videos. So, yeah. FID front, steering top plate. So, yeah, same again. It's really cool, man. I have to say, look at the shine. It looks banging. So, see, it's nicely lightened as well. Looks amazing. So happy with that. And you get screws. It's like, it's weird when you have to like sort of, you know, mention these things. It should come automatically, man, innit? Some companies I don't understand. It's like they will sell you each single part separately. Do you know what I'm saying? So you'll have to buy the top plate and the screws and the freaking bag it comes in. Come on, man. I think I need to take this out. But this is exactly the same as what Baltazar used on his build for his X2. Yeah, FID mudguards for the rear. It goes on the arm here, so that goes in there. That's it for now, guys. Stay tuned for part 2.